I'm sorry to say yep, but was it Glenn with 2 N's? I think. In your spam folder. Okay, there's not much I can do about that. Yeah, hey Glenn. Okay. So, Raoul's email was in the spam folder. Probably not much I can do about that. Yeah, the only thing I can really do is, like, say on the thing, which I have. So, like, what was it? Yeah, it says, like, check your spam folder too. So, yeah. This is getting, like, competitive. Okay. I'm wondering... Okay, next let's make the settings page, I suppose. How... Calm down. Okay. Oh yes, we should share the link in Maker's Kitchen. When DevTools takes longer to load than the actual page. Oh well, we'll log stuff to make a log soon, once DevTools decides to start working. Okay. Okay, have fun. I'm thinking which one I should do next. Okay, I don't think they can disappear, so it's all good. Okay, I think we should just build up. So the next logical thing to do would probably be... First of all, I'll just make... .html. Okay, login. Cool. then here it's login. Okay, so this will say so we can get a nice login page, you know, over and done with, login.html. We should probably make it say login instead of saying sign up. My mouse is being weird all of a sudden. There we go. Oh wait, no bug fixes, really? Okay. I mean, I'm sure we are, like, after, but, like, not before judging. Yeah. Okay. That's kind of intense. Send it to me. Is the okay. How does this look like? That looks ugly. Cool. That kind of looks ugly and intimidating, but at least it's there. Okay. It is just called login, sign. Cool. So page. Okay, boom. So login is done. Maybe make it a light grey color. I do kind of want it to stand up a bit. Oh look, Sergio, what's up? Hey. Yeah, I do want it to stand out somewhat, because it is important, but yeah, I think I'll leave it like that for the moment. Doesn't look the beautifulest, but like beautiful enough. Sergio, I don't know if you heard, but you can now sign up if you go to maker.rocks. Oh, JP Fong. Hello. Hey everyone. if you go to maker.rocks, you can reserve your URL. Awesome. It'll send you a login code, which basically doesn't do anything at the moment. So just like ignore that. But you can use that code to log in whenever, or you can click it now and it'll like store the session in your browser. But like at the moment you can't really do anything while you're logged in, which is why oh yeah, but we can delete that now. Okay, settings page. So dash, let's go test customer. Okay, cool. So the things that we have is product hunt username, Twitter username, makerlog username, Twitch username, and yeah. So yep, I'll use that when I launch on Product Hunt. It's currently 10 AM. I'm planning on launching on Product Hunt at 6 PM. So we have 8 hours to go. Well, that's pretty scary actually, because I've been streaming for 15 hours and we've only got 8 hours left. What percent the way through are we? 62%. Ooh. 6 out of 10. I mean, that's only just over halfway, sort of, I suppose. Also 50% to 60% seem to go really slowly. Okay, so these are the things that we need to add. Yep, let's create a and this will be settings.html. Or maybe I should just make it like home.html. Might do home.html, because then that'll be where you change everything. So on here we're gonna have oh yes, so which was it? Okay, product hunt username. Product hunt username / home.html. Cool. Let's, like, for fun, is it /RR Hoover? For fun, let's do like the founders of all the things. So like for makerlog we can make the placeholder like Sergio. Okay, now let's just duplicate this a bunch of times. Oh hey, what's up? Product hunt, Twitter. Hunt, Maybe we should... Yeah, I'm thinking I should make it the same as these, just to make things a bit easier. Twitter username goes here. Then make a log username. Oh yeah, and whip chat is the one which we don't have there. We should remove required from all of these. What's the founder of Twitter? Oh yeah, Jack. Then this will be maker log. Then here we have Sergio. Yep, cool. I don't think we're going to include the @s. We'll make those line up nicely soon, don't worry. Okay, make a log. Yep. Now we'll just duplicate this a few more times. So let's go next, whip chat. So that's just same thing, but Mark. What's his username on there? Okay. Cool. There we go. Then and then Twitch. What's the founder of Twitch? Nope, I don't, but I know some makers do. So I'm putting it there anyway. So like I haven't been testing that with my account. I've been testing with Pat Wall's account. Justin Can, suppose it would be this dude then. Placeholder is there, and then yeah, join maker log instead. In fact, you already have join maker log, haven't you? Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Now we just need to make these not weirdly aligned. And also we should not make it say sign up. Let's make it say like accounts maybe. Change password button. There's not a password to change though. Like, because it just emails them. It emails them the link. So I'll have like a sign out button. I should also make a change email button, but we can do that near the end. Okay. Well, that looks nicer for a start, but it still looks weird not lined up. Maybe we should make it like set values. Yeah, a bio input field. Yeah, I'll do that too. In fact, I should put that on here. Bio input field. So what I'm thinking is like here, going does that do anything? No. But we could say justify content space between, and then like make this something not really tiny, like maybe 20. Nope, that's a bit big. Let's go with like 15, 14. And yep, let's also say margin left cool. So we'll put that in here. Form label. Oops, label. Form label input. And then we'll put that there. Except this should be body.home. And then here we should change this to class equals home. Home. Yeah, so I'll have like a drop down where you can choose to pull the profile thing from Twitter or from Makerlog or from, like, you know what I mean, like from all of the different places. I probably won't have one directly for Gravatar because, like, I'll assume that people either have like product hunt or Makerlog or WhipChat image. So, I was going to do something, wasn't I? Oh yeah, space between. Justify content, space between, here we go. So that like pushes it to the edges of the div, and then boom, cool. Cool. So we got that now. Boom. Then we actually need to make the save settings thing save the settings. So that would be a good idea. By the way, now I should also make this code redirect to /home. Okay, so for save settings, first we need to get the settings. Just thinking about how we're going to do that. You know what? Maybe we shouldn't. We can probably do a lot of it like that. Okay, cool. I'm taking a screenshot of that. And let's do another Twitter post. Sign up. Slash sign up to URL. Give you an email with a login code. This doesn't do anything yet. I'm now looking on the where you cool. I need to remember to use hashtag 24-hour startup. At here. Okay, awesome. Cool. Boom. I'll get you a. Oh yeah, I forgot you're running Makers Up as well as Zach now. Zachary. Am I still live? Yep, I'm still live. So we've got all the backend stuff working, so like we can call things with like all of their stats, and then it returns like a, oh yeah, we need to update the user. It basically returns a whole response with everything in it. You never sleep. Well, it's like a 24-hour thing. So I'll sleep after 24 hours. I think we've got 8 hours left now. Yeah. Okay, wrong code. This is our new code. Cool. So now if we go to here, oop, user not found. What's that? That's odd. Equals body.username should be working. Anyway, we can troubleshoot that later. For the moment now we're working on like the front end now that the majority of the back end is done. I think I'm going to need to create another cloud function to get these settings so it can display them. I make something called get stripe metadata, another cloud function, which will be similar to edit metadata. Because again, we'll check the code and all that. Okay, cool. So we will copy all this and paste it into get metadata.js. Thanks, makers up. Is this? Awesome, thank you. Cool. So, in this get metadata.js, will be pretty similar to edit metadata.js. We should also put in a tester. Get metadata tester.js, that goes in testers. Cool. Let's move that up here. So all we need is the email and the code. Except it's the new code now, which is where did we put in the new code? Oh yeah, it was this one. Okay, this is the new code. Put that in there, and this should be get metadata. What's this? Oh nice, Sharu's launched. Okay, so we have get metadata, and then in here, okay, so we will var metadata, then we'll say delete metadata dot sign in code, and then body is JSON dot stringify the metadata. Yeah. I mean, they couldn't really say no, but I might eventually. We'll see. Cool. So if we go to here, get metadata tester, Username Ethan, that is correct. Awesome. And then if I have the wrong code, then it shouldn't do it. Yep, okay, wrong auth code. Cool. Why do you use brackets? Yeah, like, I mean, they're all good to be honest, but for me, brackets is just like, it's simple, but like it has all the stuff that you'd want. It just doesn't have all like the extra fancy stuff, which I like. So, yeah. And it's got a nice design too, just like it. That. Nice. Congrats on the launch, Tony. Okay, yep, so we can probably just push, whoop, wrong one. We can probably just push this straight to production. Added get metadata cloud function. Then we'll upload this, push it, all that. Is that PH theme public? Don't think so, but I can send it to you sometime. I'll make like a GitHub gist or something and you can just put it in. Don't think there's an easy way to share it, but sometime I'll make that public, yeah. Your ears? What about your ears? What's wrong with your ears? So now in front end, home. So when we load the page, we're gonna say fetch. Yeah, let's just copy all this. Oop. Yeah. There we go. You yawned and spoke really loud. Okay, sorry about that. Email, then you could have died. Okay, I'm sorry about that. You're gonna sue me now. Email, then in here we'll input the code. Let's just for the moment console.log the response there. Yeah, I should probably make this a bit wider. How long ago did I get into web developing? I think it was 2015. Yeah, 2015. I learnt with like Code Academy, which like, yeah, I think they have like free coding tutorials and stuff, and like I just learnt through there basically. So now we'll put this straight into here, acceptors.html, and then this will be http://localhost:2400. Awesome, and then that'll redirect to home.html. Now is it going to do stuff? No. User with user. Wait, why is it requesting? Oh, okay. It's requesting sign up. This should be get metadata. That's better. Response. Yeah, okay, so it gets me my username. Cool. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is you can have like var equals dot query selector all input name. Okay, so then metadata inputs.length I++. Why were we doing this again? Oh yeah. So var metadata equals nope, object is what we want. So in here metadata 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 inputs I dot get attribute name. Do you think you'll push in the next 30 minutes? The thing to update your accounts? Possibly. I'm not quite sure. I'll see. Depends how we go. Equals I dot value. Then at the end, we'll console.log metadata. Hi. Then, awesome. So we can just copy this code right in. Don't even know why I did it in here. But that should be in submit form. Email. Okay, so we'll copy this bit. Then metadata is metadata. And this should be edit metadata. Then console.log response. Let's have a look. Let's try bully goosh. Save settings. Okay, let's see if it's updated now. Awesome! Boom! Make a log username, bullygoosh. Perfect. Cool. So now, when we reload the page, we want it to fill all these inputs. Get metadata. Awesome. So we're going to say dot then res. Actually, let's say dot then becomes r dot json. Dot then we'll console.log response, and then we'll say for I equals 0, I is smaller than object.keys res dot length I plus plus. We're going to say equals document dot query selector input name equals name equals response object dot keys response I. Boom, there we go. If lm not equal to null, then we'll say lm dot value equals oh wait, no, this, so we'll keep this whole thing, but then the only bit which we actually need here is the object dot keys I bit. Cool. Oh my gosh, something worked first try. I cannot believe that. Okay, so now let's say Twitch username Ethan the maker, then we click save, then like we'll have something to say, okay, it's saved, and then if we go back into here, whoop, wrong one, if we go back into here, then Twitch username should show up now. Boom, and then if we reload the page, then it will autofill those. That is awesome. So let's fill out my stuff. Bully goosh. Whip chat I don't have. Save. Yeah, Yep, we'll need to make like some alert thing saying save. In fact, why don't we do that now? Noti.js. Here we go. Installation. Okay. And then copy the script, and we'll put that there, I suppose. Yep. So noti dot let's try this now. We should just be able to go in and say straight away noti dot boom. Except it looks weird, but like we can fix that. Can we change the color from here, or okay, how do we do the permanent one again? Oh, here we go. Can we noti dot set option? Okay, that's just class. Okay, dot noti background success. Background var -- theme color dot noti background success. Okay, cool. Yep, let's take away the box shadow. I don't really like that. Awesome, looking good. So all that will go in here. Whoop, why am I trying to save the HTML? Don't want to do that. Text is going to be saved. So we should do that. Saved, cool. Let's say pad walls. I'm going to put this here, then so we have a nice thing. Awesome. Boom, boom, boom. I think we're ready to, thanks. I think we're ready to push this, to be honest. You know what, let's try and see what happens. Boom. Okay, accounts, inputs on home dashboard. Well, we also need to say quickly, wait a sec, if I say like local storage.x undefined, okay, so yep, so then in here, wait a sec, I'll just clear that. We will set, whoop, on the home page, we'll say, just a quick script here saying, if type of local storage dot email not equal to undefined, and type of local storage dot code is not equal to, well, these should be undefined as strings, and local storage dot signed in. Is everything a string? True. Cool. Wait a sec. True. Oh, okay, it should be fine. Window dot location equals slash home. Cool. So then if we are on the home page and we are signed in, then boom, except it doesn't work on this local server, but it should be fine. Okay, so now you can go to maker.rocks, use the sign-in link that you got in the email, and fill out your stuff. Yeah. Awesome. Boom. Nice. I'll check yours quickly, just to check that it works. Won't autofill. That's did it say saved? Because I'm looking in here at the moment and I can't see that it's saved. Like, did it actually come up with the pop-up saying saved? I'm just checking the error logs for a sec to see if something went wrong. Said saved. Edit metadata.js, here we go.